Hello students, welcome to the second video on indices. Today it will be a continuation of the first video of indices, right? We'll take up the questions, we will directly solve. We have already solved the basics in the first video. Okay, what they're asking, see, given that is, what is that, ax to the power of 2 by 3 plus bx to the power of 1 by 3 plus c is equal to 0, right? And they're asking us to find a cube x square value plus b cube x plus c cube is given by, okay, that is what they're asking. See here, we can understand, here a is there, we have to find the value of what, a cube, right, and b cube is there. That means what, we have to cube this. Okay, before that what I will do is, like, see here, ax to the power of 2 by 3 plus bx to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to minus c, I can take, right? Then now cube it, that is a plus b whole cube, the right, you what you can do is you can cube the things, like what is that, a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? The similar manner, that what is that, a cube, that is a cube x power 2 by 3 whole cube plus b cube into x power 1 by 3 whole cube. This is a cube plus b cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b. 3 into a value here is a x power 2 by 3 into bx power 1 by 3 a cube plus b cube into 3ab into what, a plus b. A plus b means what is that, that is ax to the power of 2 by 3 plus bx to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, that is all. The way what I have done is, I have taken the cube of this, I have applied a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? Okay, fine. This value is equal to what, this is equal to minus c cube, because I have cubed both sides. Minus c cube will be equal to what, a cube, 3 will cancel, what will remain, x square plus b cube, 3 will cancel, x plus, okay, see here, 3ab into x to the power of 2 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 3, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 I can take, because a power m into a power n is a power m plus n, into what is this value, ax square, okay, a into x square, x power 2 by 3 plus b. See, the same thing, I can take it as minus c, right? Okay, minus c cube is equal to a cube x square, I'll take the LCM here, plus b cube x plus 3ab into x power, LCM here is 3, 2 plus 1 is also 3 into minus c. Okay, what I'll do is, this minus c, okay, I can take minus c cube this side. See, that is what they're asking, a cube x square plus b cube x plus c cube. I want this part to come right hand side and this part to come to the left hand side. That means what, like minus c, minus into minus plus, if it comes this side, plus 3abx c, okay, 3abc into x will be equal to what, a cube plus, sorry, a cube x square plus b cube x plus c cube, because minus c cube, if it comes this side, it will be plus c cube. The answer is what, 3abcx plus 3abcx, the option number A. Okay, Fine, we will go further. We'll go further. Next question. Next question. What is that? If 3 power a is equal to 5 power b is equal to 75 whole power c, then what they are asking? They are asking us to find ab minus c into 2a plus b. This value they are asking, right? Okay, what do you mean by this? Like okay okay, whenever a is equal to b is equal to c, what I can do is I can equate it into k. What will become? It will become 3 power a is equal to k. Therefore what? 3 is equal to k power 1 by a, right? And similarly 5 power b is equal to k. That means what? 5 is equal to k power 1 by b. And 75 power c is k. That means what? 75 is equal to k power 1 by c. Okay, that means what I can do here, okay, okay, they have, okay. Yes, we can do one thing. 75, for the 75 we can take the factors, right? From 5 I can divide. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5s are 15. Once again 5, 5 threes are, I can write. See, we know that 3 into 5 square is 75, right? 3 means what? K power 1 by a into 5 square, that means k power 1 by b whole square is equal to 75 is nothing but k power 1 by c. Okay, what I can write here is k power 1 by a plus 2 by b is equal to k power 1 by c. See, whenever the what you call the variables are same and the powers are different, I can equate the powers, right? I can equate the powers. What is that powers? I'll just write it. Quite a big problem. Fine, 1 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1 by c. That is what I can write. I can write it as 1 by a plus 2 by b is equal to 1 by c. What we have to do? Okay, take the LCM here. That is b plus 2a divided by ab. Ab is the LCM, is equal to 1 by c. Cross multiply. C into 2a plus b is equal to ab. Okay, they're asking ab minus, right? Therefore transfer everything this side. That means what? 0 is equal to ab minus c into 2a plus b, right? That is what they're asking, the value of 2a minus c into 2a, ab minus c into 2a plus b value, that is nothing but 0, right? That is option number b. Okay, we'll take up the next question. What is the next question we have? What is the next question? Please practice it. Pause the video and practice it. Okay, quite a different question. These are all a bit tricky questions we have taken. That is 2 power a is equal to 4 power b is equal to 8 power c, and given a b c is equal to 288. They have given a into b into c is 288. Okay, just analyze here. Here 2 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there. What we can write? This one 2 power a, 2 power 2b, because 2 square is 4, is equal to what? 2 power what do you call, like 3c, right? 2 cube is 1, right? And they have given what, like I can do one thing, like okay, what I got here is okay, right. Okay, they have given a into b into c is 288. For that, what I can do is, okay, see, I can equate the powers. That is, a is equal to 2b is equal to 3c. I can equate it into k, right? Okay, that means what? Like, that means what? See, since they have given a into b into c, I just multiply it. Let us see. Let us see what is that. A into 2b into 3c That means what? Everything is k into k into k, right? K into k into k is k cube, right? That is 8 ABC is equal to k cube, right? That is 8 into, okay, we know that what is the value of ABC, where they have given the value of A, B and C, A into B into C, that is 288 is equal to k cube, right? Okay, that means what? Okay, 2 into 6 cube, right? Okay, I can take it as k is equal to cube root of 8 into 288, that is cube root of 8 is 2 and this is 6, 6, 6 are 36, 6 are 288, right? Is it correct? Just a minute, I'll just have a look. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I had made a mistake here. 2 into 3 is 6, right? 6 ABC. Here also 6 ABC. This is also 6. Okay, 6 into 288. 6 into 288 is nothing but 1728. Okay, this is nothing but k is equal to cube root of 1728. Okay, we know that cube root of 1728 is 12. 12 into 12 into 12 is 128. Sorry, 1728, right? Like okay, here what we came to know here is okay, well, they're asking something like find the value of 1 by 2a plus 1 by 4b plus 1 by 8c. Okay, that means what? 1 over a means what? K plus 1 by 4b. B is nothing but k by 2 plus 1 by 8c. 8 is nothing but 8, sorry, c is nothing but k by 3. Okay, what I can do is, this is nothing but 1 by k value, we got it as 12. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 into 12 by 2 plus 1 over 8 into 12 by 3. Okay, this is nothing but 1 by 12, oh sorry, 2a, right? 2a 2 into k, 2 into 12, that is 24. Okay, plus 1 by 2 so that is 24 plus 1 over how much? 1 to 3 4 and 32, right? I'll take the LCM here. LCM for 24 and 32, it is I can take it as 8, right? 96, right? Okay, 96 is the LCM. Okay, 96 into 96 into 96 into 96, 24, that is 4 plus 4 plus 32 ones are 32 threes are, okay, therefore 11 by 96 is the answer. Yes, we got it, that is option C, 11 by 96 is the right answer. Okay, quite a big problem. These are all like bigger problems. Like whenever you get it in the exams, be careful while selecting, right? Okay, next question we will see. Next question, we'll take it up. What is that? Simple one, not that much complex. Given a power p uh, is equal to b power q is equal to c power r is equal to d power s, and ab is equal to cd, then find the value of 1 by p, 1 by plus 1 by q minus 1 by. Okay, see here they have given a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d. I will equate it into k. A power p is equal to a power p is equal to b power q is equal to c power r is equal to d power s is equal to k, right? Therefore what? A is equal to k power 1 by p, b is equal to k power 1 by q, C is equal to k power 1 by r, and D is equal to k power 1 by s. Okay, what they have given? They have given AB is equal to CD, right? Therefore, what do you mean with that? K power 1 by P into k power 1 by q is equal to C power 1 by r into k power 1 by r into k power 1 by s, right? Which will be equal to what? K power 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to k power 1 by r plus 1 by s, right? Then do one thing, like okay, equate the powers. 1 by p plus 1 by q is equal to 1 by r plus 1 by s. Okay, take everything one side. 1 by p plus 1 by q minus 1 by r minus 1 by s is nothing but 0. Okay, we have the option number D as 0, right? Fine. Next question we will take. Okay, what they have given? M is equal to b power x, and n is equal to b power y, and m power y into n power x is equal to b square. Find the value of xy. Find the value of xy. They're asking. The of is missing. Find the value of xy. Given what? M power y into n power x is equal to b square, right? You substitute the value of m here. M is nothing but b power x whole power y into b power y whole power x, n value is equal to b square, right? Okay, it's nothing but b power xy into b power xy is equal to b square. Okay, a power x into a power x is a power x plus x. X into x is x square, right? Similarly, b power 2xy is equal to b square, right? Therefore, equate the powers. 2xy is equal to 2 cancels, xy is equal to 1. The answer is x is equal to 1. Okay, we'll take the next question. That is what? If x is equal to root 2 minus root 2 minus root 2 minus so on up to infinity, right? It looks complex, but it's very simple. Up to infinity, if you add or subtract some part from the infinity, it will not change. That means what? You can write like this: x is equal to 2 minus, once again this is also x, right? Because it is there up to infinity. If you remove some part of the infinity value will not change. Okay, now take square on both sides. That is x square is equal to 2 minus x. Take everything one side. X square plus x is equal to 2, right? Okay, here you just don't solve it, like you just check the answers. Here minus 2, a is minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, right? Here what will happen? Here we have two options, right? The thing is that minus 2 is to substitute. Minus 2 whole square minus 2 is equal to 2. That is minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the right answer. That means what? Whenever we take x value as minus 2, this is holding good. As well as if you take x is equal to 1, what will happen? 1 that is 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, it is also holding good. X is equal to minus 2 is also right. X is equal to 1 is also right. And what do you call, if you can it is, since the subtraction, we can take it as minus 2. Okay, like right, if you can take 2, then it will not hold good. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0, it will not holds good. Therefore the answer is a and b, that is minus 2 and 1. Okay, we'll go further. What is this? 243 whole power, okay, 243 divided by 32 whole power minus 4 by 5. Okay, this is the next question. See, like a 3 power 5 is how much? 3 into 1 2 3. Okay, yes, 3 power 5 divided by 2 power 5 whole power. 3 power 5 into divided by right, 2 power 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. This is nothing but 3 by 2 whole power 5 into minus 4 by 5. 5 cancels. Okay, this is nothing but 3 by 2 whole power minus 4, that is nothing but 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, which is 2 power 4 is 16, 3 power 4 is 81. The answer is 16 by 81, option B. Okay, next question we are going to take. What is that? Simple question is there. Simple question is there. What is that? That is 4 power root x whole power root x is equal to 256. Okay, that means what? We know that root a power m whole power n is a power m into n. 4 power root x into root x is nothing but what is this 256? 4 into 4 power 4, right? 4 power 4, yes, right, that is root x into root x is x. 4 power x is 4 power 4, therefore x is equal to 4. Option A, x is equal to 4. Okay, next question. What is that? 2 power n plus 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 power n, right? Do one thing, like here we just split it. 2 power n plus 2 power n into 2 power minus 1 divided by 2 power n into 2 minus 2 power n. Okay, here in the numerator take the 2 power n as common, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by that is 2 power n in the denominator also you common, take the common 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1, yes, 2 power n cancels. Okay, we can cancel these two things. In the denominator 2 minus 1 is 1, in the numerator will remain 1 plus 1 by 2, it is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 2, it is nothing but 3 by 2 is the answer, option C. Okay, we have one more question. What is that? We'll take up that. Okay, we'll take it here. Okay, x power m plus 3n into x power 4m minus 9n divided by x power 6m minus 6n is. Okay, it is simple question. You take it everything into the numerator. M plus 3n plus 4m minus 9n, 6m, it will become minus 6m plus 6n. Okay, x power m plus 4m minus 6m plus 3n minus 9n plus 6n. Okay, see here, 6n plus 3n is 9n, 9n minus 9n will cancel. Okay, here m part 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 6 is minus m, x power minus m will remain. This is nothing but, yeah, the same answer is given, that is x power minus m, or else they would have given as 1 over x power m is also correct, x power minus m, that is option B, is also correct, right? Okay, next question we will take it up. Okay, fine. Okay, students, we will take one more question on search. Okay, what is that? Oh, sorry. Sorry for that. Okay, what is that? We will take one more question on search. Given that a is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find the value of a to the power of half into plus a to the power of minus half. Okay, they're asking us to find a to the power of half. A to the power of half is root a plus 1 over root a. This value they're asking. Okay, for that what I'll do is okay, do one thing. This is a small trick. Do one thing. Take 1 by a value. 1 by a is nothing but 1 over 3 plus 2 root 2. This, since it is a third, you have to multiply with the conjugate. The conjugate is nothing but 3 plus 2 root 2. If you multiply and divide it by 3 minus 2 root 2, you have to do. What is that? 1 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, here in the denominator what you will get, a plus b into a minus b, you have to what do you call a plus b into a minus b formula, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by a square minus b square, that is 9 minus 2 root 2 whole square. It is nothing but 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 4 into 2, because square of 2 is 4 and square of root 2 is 2. Okay, it is nothing but 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 8, which is 1, which is nothing but 3 minus 2 root 2. Right? Okay, are you getting this one? This is the value of 1 by a, but what